Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be going over the #1 tools that you need to have if you're an online course creator. We'll also be showing you some very little known online tools that you can use for completely free to grow your online coach or your online course business. So if you're the type of person that likes to save time and save money, then this is the video for you. When thinking about which online tools you're going to need for your online course or your online coaching business, there's really 3 distinct types of online course tools that you're going to need. So you're first going to need a tool to do market research. Secondly, you're going to need to choose your course platform. And depending on which platform you choose, you're going to need to then decide on your marketing tools. We've also added in one bonus tool in which you can use to grow your online course or your online coaching business. And it's a good one, so stick around for that. The first tool, and possibly the most important tool that you need in your online course or your online business, is a market research tool. Market research is simply you going out and finding as much data as you can about your industry, about your course topic, about your demographics, and just gather as much relevant information as you can about your business. One of the best tools to do market research and keyword research is called Ubersuggest. The reason why we've chosen Ubersuggest to be the #1 market research tool is because it has a completely free plan, but also its paid plan is not that expensive. You'll find that the price for Ubersuggest is much lower than other tools. To start doing your market research and your keyword research with Ubersuggest, you just want to head over to ubersuggest.io. And then what you want to do is in this toolbar, you're going to enter the keyword that's most related to your course or your business. And once you search the keyword in which is most related to your course, your coaching, or just your business in general, you'll be able to see an overview of how competitive and how many times per month people are searching up for that keyword. So as you can see, over 110,000 people are searching up for home workouts each month on Google. And the difficulty is about 74. The higher the number, the higher the difficulty it is. And if you scroll down, you'll also see an historical overview of the searches per month. So as you can see, in March, there was over 273,000 people that searched up this keyword under desktop. But in October, that number reduced to over 66,000. So you're able to get a much better picture of the trend, but also the monthly search volumes for your keyword. Also, you're able to see some demographics information. So you can see what are the ages of the people that are searching up for your keyword. So in this case, we can see that over 56% of the searchers are between 18 to 24. So depending on your course topic or your niche, this number is going to be different. But this gives you some early data and some good data that you can use when thinking about what is the target demographic of your business. And if you scroll down some more, you'll be able to see keywords that are related to the words that you searched up on Ubersuggest. So as you can see, we have at-home leg workouts, home workouts for biceps, and so on. So you're able to have a better overall picture of how many people combined are searching up your course topic or the niche that you're in. And if we scroll to the bottom of the page, we'll be able to see some of the most popular content that's related to this keyword. So for the keyword at-home workouts, we can see that these websites here have the most popular content when it comes to those keywords. So this already gives you ideas that you can use in your own business to create content. The second market research tool that we recommend is called SEMrush. Both Ubersuggest and SEMrush provides market research and keyword information. But the main difference between both of the tools is that on SEMrush, you have access to a lot more information. On SEMrush, there's a whole dashboard that's dedicated to competitive research. One of these tools is called the Market Explorer. So all you need to do is put the URL for any of your competitors and then click research. Once you do this, you'll be able to see a snapshot of the overall market for whatever your course or your coaching topic is on. You're able to see which domain on the internet is getting the most traffic for your course or your coaching topic. So as we can see here, this website is getting over 32% of the website traffic for this course idea, which means you can model your website towards the one that's getting most of the market share, but also you'll find opportunities in which you can improve your website so that you're getting more of that traffic. You'll also be able to see the traffic generation strategy. So you'll be able to see where is the website traffic coming from. Is it coming from direct means? Is it coming from referral? Is it coming from search? Is it coming from paid advertising? So this again gives you a lot of information that you can use. Another really useful aspect of doing market research on SEMrush is that you're able to see the top countries for your course or your coaching topic. But also you're able to see the top growing countries for your business. So as we can see for this example, the United Kingdom was up 13% within the last year. So what that means is, as a course creator or as a business owner, you can then focus on these emerging markets for your business. On SEMrush, you're also able to get some more information about your target audience. So for this example, we searched up yoga, but we can see that people are also interested in yoga and Pilates. They're interested in fitness. They're interested in gyms, but they're also interested in Hinduism. So if you're running paid advertising or if you're trying to refine your target audience, you're able to use these in-market audience interests so that you're able to then find your audiences online. There's a lot more features and tools that you can use on SEMrush, so I do highly recommend that you check it out. We'll leave a link below this video in which you can check it out for 7 days for free. So for 7 days, you'll have complete access to SEMrush and you'll be able to do your market research. Now, after 7 days, if you still think you need the tool, then I do highly recommend that you get a paid plan. The reason is that you want to take the time out before you start creating your online course, you start your online coaching program, or any business in general. You want to take the time to do the market research. You want to understand the micro and the macro market of whatever business you're getting into. So you want to take the time, you want to spend the money up front so that you're not wasting money in the future. So here's the price comparison between SEMrush, Ubersuggest, and Answer the Public. The reason why we recommended Ubersuggest is because of its monthly price. The individual plan starts at $29 per month and goes all the way up to $99. While SEMrush starts at $99 and goes all the way up to $400 per month. But keep in mind, with SEMrush, you have access to a lot more features, you have access to a lot more information, and you're able to do a lot more deep of a market research. I highly recommend that you try out SEMrush free for 7 days. Within those 7 days, you can use and have access to all of the features. And after the 7 days, you can always decide whether or not you want to upgrade to the $99 version or the $199. But if you don't have much money and you're still not sure whether or not you're going to even start your business, then I do recommend going with the Ubersuggest individual plan. Once you've completed your market research, you're going to want to now decide what course platform you're going to use. The second most important tool that you're going to need in your online course or your online coaching business is your online course platform. If this is your first online course or your online coaching program, then it can be very difficult to choose an online course platform. You can become easily overwhelmed with all the amount of online course platforms to choose from. Whether or not you're a beginner or you're an advanced course creator, we're going to show you the best platforms that you can use to grow your online course or online coaching business. Luckily for you, we've done the research of all of the online course platforms and narrowed it down into 3 unique online course platforms. If you're a complete beginner to building online courses or launching your online coaching program, then we do recommend Thinkific. Thinkific offers a completely free plan, which means that you can access your course platform. You can actually enroll students in your course all for $0. When you're now starting off your online course or your online coaching business, you want to save as much time and as much money as you can. And using this Thinkific plan does exactly that. The second course platform that we recommend is called Kajabi. Now, the reason why we recommend Kajabi is because it's an all-in-one software. The second online course platform that we recommend is called Kajabi. If you already have an audience and you have some experience building courses or building coaching programs, then we highly recommend that you go with Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform, which means you're able to build funnels, you're able to do email marketing, you're able to do email automation, and you're able to do live events all in one app, which is why Kajabi is one of the most popular online course builders. Now, Kajabi is a little bit more pricier than Thinkific, but when you think about the softwares that you're saving on, emails, funnels, website builders, analytics, etc., then the price is well worth it. When you consider that you're saving money on buying additional softwares, then the 119 basic plan really does pay for itself. So if you have experience in online coaching and an online course business, then I highly recommend that you try out Kajabi. We'll leave a link below this video in which you can find a free trial for Kajabi for 30 days. The third online course platform that we recommend is called Podia. Podia isn't as well known as Thinkific or Kajabi, but it's quickly gaining the reputation for being one of the fastest growing online course platforms. Podia can be seen as a hybrid between Thinkific and Kajabi. It offers a lot of the features that you can get in Kajabi, and it's fairly priced. Also, Podia has an amazing website builder, which means you're able to create very good looking and very intuitive landing pages. Unlike other course builders, you're able to create very dynamic and you're able to add a lot of features on your landing page, which means you wouldn't have to use any other website builder and you can build your complete website and landing pages on Podia. Podia also has a very well designed course player. As you can see with this course player, it not only looks good, but it's very intuitive. On the side of the course player, you're able to go through any sections that you like to, and you're able to jump to that section very quickly on the Podia course player. Another feature that I really like on Podia that you don't find on many other course platforms is their checkout process. Once you click a product or service, you get a checkout that is a pop-up in your window, which means you can check out and you can buy the service or product right from this pop-out window. So with a feature like this means that you're not sending your customers to a secondary checkout page or they have to leave the page to check out. So this would increase your conversion rate and allow you to make more sales. And Podia is a very fairly priced platform. For the features and the design and the analytics that you get from Podia, the $39 and $79 plan are very well priced. And these are the most recommended online course platforms that you should consider when you're launching or growing your online coach or your online course business. Just to recap, if you're a complete new beginner and you're not sure whether or not your online course or coaching program will work and you want to save some money, then I recommend Thinkific. You want to go ahead with your free $0 plan. You want to build your course up, and as you need more features and you're getting more students, then you want to upgrade your plan. If you're an experienced online course creator or online coach, or you have a large following in which you're ready to sell to, then I would recommend the Kajabi plan. Kajabi is the most expensive course platform out of all three of these, but you're able to get access to funnel builders, you have a built-in email automation service, and you're able to do live events on the basic plan. And the best value online course platform is Podia. With a $39.99 plan, you're able to do pretty much everything that you need for your online course or your online coaching business. You're also able to make beautiful looking websites, and you have access to a super fast and optimized checkout process. No matter the stage that you're in your online coach or your online course business, there's a course platform that's right for you. And these were our top 3 recommendations. Now we're going to leave a link in the description and below this video for a free trial for every single one of these online course platforms. I highly recommend that you try them out for yourself and figure out which one of these platforms work best for you and your business. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, but most importantly, I hope that you found a tool or software that you can use to grow your online course or your online coaching business. If you guys like this video and if you found some tools in this video that you otherwise wouldn't have found, then we ask that you guys subscribe to our channel for more tips and more tools and more actionable information that you can use in your online course or your online coaching business.